Hello NCN, hello Tigers. Good day everyone.
I'm Lexi Armenio.
I'm Liz Badaria and I am Shay Micaela A. Otto. And welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, one of the most respected and dynamic institutions here in Naga City. Today, we will be your hosts as we take you on an exciting journey through rich history, value, and beautiful campus of our beloved NCN. So come with us and let's explore the history of the home of the champions.
Naga College Foundation Incorporated, one of the oldest higher education institutions, was founded by Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva in 1947. As a public school teacher, Dr. Villanueva recognized the need for quality and affordable education for Bicolanos. At the time, pursuing higher education meant traveling to Manila, a luxury only the wealthy could afford. Determined to address this gap, Dr. Villanueva established Naga Teachers College in a vacant house along Peña Francia Avenue in Naga City. The school started with 114 enrollees in a 2-year education course and also offered primary and intermediate elementary grades. 2 years after founding Naga Teachers College, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva took a significant step forward, acquiring land in Barangay Peña Francia, Naga City, bounded by Lebroton Street. On this new site, the school expanded its offerings, introducing primary and high school classes to cater to the growing educational needs of the community. As the years went by, Naga Teachers College continued to grow and evolve. In the 1950-51 academic year, the school introduced short-term courses and underwent significant transformation, changing its name to Naga College Incorporated. This marked a new era of expansion, with new buildings and spaces being added to accommodate the increasing number of students, welcoming more learnings into the Naga College family. Naga College Foundation's journey continued its significant milestones. In 1985, it was officially recognized as a non-stock non-profit organization by the Securities and Exchange Commission, and its name was changed to Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Following its recognition, Naga College Foundation has established education, criminology, and nursing as its current major flagship programs. The founder's legacy continued beyond his lifetime, with his wife Lala Lourdes passing away in April 27, 1989, and Dr. Melchor himself following in June 13, 2000. Leadership transitions saw Dr. Roland P. Villanueva taking the helm as the second president in 1999, succeeded by Dr. Carlo P. Villanueva in 2002. The foundation's leadership was later passed down to the next generation with Ms. Michelle Margaret P. Hornby and currently Mr. Mario C. Villanueva ensuring the continuation of Dr. Melchor's vision.
Thank you, Roland and Lola Lourdes.
Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey. We hope you learn more about Naga College Foundation Incorporated and its rich history. Once again, this is Liz Badaria and Shay Micaela saying that stay curious and keep learning.